but during one practicum I do have a lot of things, and I was personally taught by the magistrate office staff like that. So what I will be explaining to you guys today will be the exact same thing they taught me. This is the magistrate court. I was not allowed to maybe show you the picture because it was confidential, so I just draw this by myself. You can see it. You can pass this like this. Okay. So I will say that Malaysian judicial system has a lot of court. We have a Supreme Court, Court of Appeal, High Court, Industrial Court for employment dispute, like between employer and employer, and we have Magistrate Court. Well, I will tell you that Magistrate Court is one of the lowest court in Malaysia, but even just as a lower court, Magistrate Court has a significant function in Malaysia's judicial system, especially in criminal dispute. Let me show you. Okay, you guys see this picture? Yeah, this is the picture of the organization chart in Magistrate Court Johor Bahru, the place that I had my practice. I know it looks a bit unintelligible, but let me make it easy for you. Okay, for example, we have the Magistrate Court, and Magistrate Court have two kinds of court. The highest ranking of Magistrate Court is the Session Court. The Session Court also have two kinds of courts, division of two kinds of court. The first is civil and the second is criminal. The criminal session court entertains disputes such as small corruption cases, and usually we call it rasuah, and sexual offences like maybe sexual assault or rape, and murder case, sudden death, and divorce for non-Muslim. And below the Session Court is the Magistrate Court, and same as Session Court, the Magistrate Court also has two kinds of court. First is civil, and the second is criminal. The criminal Session Court handle cases such as traffic case, drugs, alcohol, stealing, assault, cheating, immigration, and license matter, and a lot of things. But this is just a brief. So the difference between Magistrate and Session Court was that the Session Court deals with more higher ranking cases, and Magistrate Court deals with brief and smaller cases. That's the difference. Okay, this is the Magistrate Court I'm looking at when I'm in Johor Bahru. Yeah, it's quite big actually. It's quite fun because it's big drama. I would say to my audience about the Magistrate criminal court procedures, which is the arrest stage, the remand stage, and court hearing and sentencing stage. The first stage is the arrest stage. Well, everybody know what happened during the arrest stage. Well, in this stage, this is the stage where the suspect will be captured by the police for investigation. But the police will not like, boom, be like that, go with us to the police station. No, it's not like that. The police will usually go to the suspect house, or maybe where he was at that time. When there are a report being made against the suspect, for instance, maybe you are the reporter and you want to report Miss is too beautiful. You have to say so you go to the nearest police station and say, I want to make a police report. Miss is too beautiful. Please capture him. And then police will, okay, I will make an investigation and capture the police. Yeah, so in this case is where the police will arrest the suspect. But it usually in 2 days. During my practicum, I have a chance to ask one policewoman about how the suspect can be captured. And I was like, this police, how can the suspect be captured? How can the suspect be captured? And then will be used by the report that the suspect will be arrested. And when the suspect is arrested, the police will register a new case report, and the suspect will go to the next stage, which is the one stage for investigation. So I hope you guys know a brief idea what happened during the next stage. This is the police lockup. I do not have the chance to capture inside because the police see my head. So I was also going to, so I just can show you the picture of outside the lockup. This is actually the office, but at the back is the lockup where the criminals or the suspect will be arrested before the court trial. Okay, so next I will be talking about the remand stage. Okay, during the remand stage, this is the stage where the suspected person will be investigated truly by the investigation officer, or we may call him as IO. For the IO to make a true investigation regarding the report being made against the suspect. And I would like to really note that during this stage, the parents, the suspect parents or uncle or neighbor, because they're actually a neighbor that really cares about suspect, and maybe about suspect family, they were not allowed to be the suspect at all. I have one case to share. It's about a husband. He actually went to meet his wife during the remand, where he was holding his newborn baby, but the wife still in the remand, and the husband asked the investigation officer, "Can I meet my wife to breastfeed my child?" And the husband cannot. Actually, the wife offense was actually he was suspected stealing an item worth of 20,000 quite many in a big company. So yeah, that's why the wife was still remanded. But okay, please be noted that in this stage that the suspect cannot be visited by any person. And I would like to add that during this stage is where the suspect is actually in one room. This is the picture of outside of the remand room, yes. During this, the suspect was gathered in many kind of location, like in the room. And this is where the other suspect, we might know about the other suspect offences. I would like to add that things considered as sensitive offences, such as abuse of parents, maybe like beat up your parents, or mom and dad, or even sexual offences like rape, woman is sensitive. And if the other suspect may know that the suspect did two kind of offence, the other suspect, when they go back to jail, they will be cut off the suspect. Actually might be quite serious. So the police will not tell other suspect what the suspect offence is. And next, we go to the court hearing and sentencing stage. Well, this is the stage. This is the final stage where the magistrate will hear a case petition by both of the parties. Okay, I will say that the hearing stage is where the public prosecutor will make a case research to search for the suspect, whether he was innocent, really innocent, or whether he was actually should be punished according to his offences. And I would like to add that during the hearing stage, the suspect had two choices. Either he can be represented by his own lawyer, if he wants, or he may represent himself. Maybe if it don't have any money, or he just think it wasn't really necessary, he can just represent himself. It's not. And the magistrate will usually just hear the both side of argument fairly. It doesn't matter. It is a bit matter if the suspect hires a lawyer. Maybe if he hires a lawyer, he can be his punishment can be lowered too. Okay, I have a question. Do you think you can make an excuse today is your birthday as your appeal to lower your punishment? you cannot say that when you present yourself. You must hire a lawyer. Actually, if you hire a government lawyer, YBJK, Yayasan Bantuan Kewangan, you just need to pay to leading it actually. Just to leading. But it depends. If the case was not necessarily needs to hire a YBJK lawyer, they will not take the case. It's on the consideration. But yeah, especially it. So if the lawyer don't want to take the case, the government lawyer don't want to take the case, then you can just present yourself. But you cannot just say, today is my birthday, can I lower my punishment? No, you don't like that. It's the lawyer to do that. Because I had one case, the suspect was actually being charged because he was riding a lorry and driving a lorry, and his maximum capacity exceed the limit, and he can be charged maybe fine for 20,000 maximum. And the lawyer just said, sir, today is this suspect birthday, sir. Please be mercy on him. And the magistrate, do you have any certain to bear or what? Yes. And the magistrate give the fine just 6,000. Actually, between 20,000 and 6,000 is really high gap, right? So the suspect was and the last stage is the sentencing stage. And the sentencing stage is why the magistrate will legislate and effect punishment to the suspected person. I want to know. Normally, I make a script for any random person I think necessary. Okay, the video to practice for me. It's mine. Okay. Zami to be suspect. This is your script. There's the number. So that's what we want. Who wants to be the public prosecutor? You be the public prosecutor? And my sister. This small is this. Okay. And lastly, will be the magistrate. Okay, just follow the sequence I provided. This is 1, 2, 3. Number. Then, what's number? Oh, number. Maybe after I say that, after the prosecutor said that, we put by judgment. Yes, you have to know. Okay, I will be going with us. On 21 December of 2024, last week, around 2:30 a.m. in the morning, located in Jalan Binti, the police had patrolled the area and they saw you, Ahmad PDD, with IC number 123, wandering around the areas in suspicious manner. The police then arrested you and proceed for investigation, and they found a kind of blood type methamphetamine in your possession around 0.50 grams. Therefore, you are charged with under Dangerous Drug Act 1952 and can be punished under the same act. Imprisonment not more than 2 years or fine not exceeding 2,000 ringgit over. Check PDD, do you admit your action?
Yes,
Check PDD, do you have any appeal?
So, Magistrate, I have 2 children and have 3 wives to support. My children's son, I also seek to sample the cost of supporting my mother. Sir, please have mercy on me.
Sir, the suspect admitted his offence. Sir, please give a fair judgment according to his charge.
Ahmad Binti, you were found guilty under provision of dangerous drug act and shall be punished with imprisonment for 5 months or be fined for 800 ringgit.
Are you his wife? You can go to the counter to pay for the finding. So that's the demonstration. Okay. This is the picture of the outside magistrate court, and this is and this is the picture of me taking a picture with the dispute lawyer. It's actually very talkative and friendly. And in conclusion, the magistrate court serve a significant role in safeguarding order and regulation within the community. So I hope you guys get a bit of idea what happened during the procedure of magistrate court. It is the arrest stage, the master, hearing and sentencing stage. Right is right, even when everyone is against it, and wrong is wrong, even when everyone is for it. William and
Wow.
whoa, and what happened to the suspect that is insane? What does lifetime sentence actually mean? Okay, let's see.
Okay, right. This is an interesting question. Okay, question.
Can I ask you? Is it LP or stop loan? But it is stop loan.
Yeah, they're more like that's not related to court.
That's your question.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question.
Ish.
Do you know Nayli Hani? Okay, do you guys think that he actually flee from his charge of corruption?
That's what he said.
Yeah, they said, but actually he's not flee. Because he's not A and D, acquitted and dismissed. That's when the case are actually closed and the Zahid name Ahmad is not alleged to that offense. But he was DNAA, dismissed without acquittal. That means that Zahid Ahmad actually is free like any person, but when the case is being called, he must present to court. Actually, he's not that free. Wherever the police officer, the IO, wants to take back the case, yeah, he need to clear the case. Yeah, actually, he's not free. So, because I saw many comments in the YouTube and TikTok like, sorry, how did you 47 case? 47 case? I'm like, oh, I didn't know. And I saw, yes.
So the media did not tell both sides. They
Yeah.
say that it's free.
He actually not. Question?
Can I answer that question?